wand! What are you... Ugh! Oh, I need a new wand. Oh, jeez. Oh, Potter's friend?
Oh, not good.
Chip, chip. Where'd she go? Chip, chip. Shut up, bird.
You know, there is a way.
A way to what?
Oh, you have to keep talking.
Okay, where are you? Show yourself.
No, thank you. I'm in the shower right now.
What'd you say?
I'm in the bubble bath right now.
The bathroom window. I don't even see a house in the distance.
I'm in a bird bath, you bird poop.
Where do you see a bird bath?
Oh, gosh.
Don't see it. Oh, there you are.
If you want a more powerful one, you're going to have to keep talking.
What am I supposed to talk about?
Well, you could ask me where it is.
Where is it?
It's in the crib. It's an elder wand.
Dumbledore's wand! I gotta go. Gotta get down from this place. You actually worked for once. I think this is a grave. You brought me to the right place. Ice cold treats. Oh, there's even ice cream. Okay, let's go. Expecto Redemptido! Who are you? You're not Dumbledore.
Mine.
No!
Mine.
Oh my gosh! No ice cold drinks! Oh, it's so thirsty! Okay, control yourself. But there is a grill for sale. Oh, whatever. Okay. See if this works. Revidicionto! Don't need you anymore. Okay. So powerful. So magical. So wonderful.
What is that?
It's my wand.
Is that what you British people call it?
You know what? People are laughing these days. Broomy! Oh, it's you! I was looking everywhere for you! Where were you? Come here. Come on. Hey, get down here. I don't have to use this, you know? Come on, get down. Down. Move! Move or I'll shoot you again. Okay, good. Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job! You again?
Uh-oh.
That bird again!
I'm Marissa.
Where are you?
I'm not telling you.
You're weird.
My
No.
mommy likes to give me that.
What?
I am a bird bath.
You're in a bird bath.
A bird bath.
A bird bath?
Skip, 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 skip.
Okay, what do you want?
If you run around in circles for 3 hours in a row, you gain more strength.
No way! Are you sure this is gonna work? Bird, are you still there? Oh my god. You lay on me. Whoa!
Skip, 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 skip. Mommy,
I'm not listening to you!
Mommy, get me.
No! 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 Just don't talk to me!
Get me.
No! Don't talk! Just don't talk! Oh, where are you, anyways?
Keep walking away. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, almost there. Yeah, keep going. Just keep going and going. Nope, nope, nope. Wrong way. Nope, nope, nope. Chirp, 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 chirp. No, 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 no. Keep going. Just keep walking. Walk 3 miles west. 3 miles north. You'll be there. Trust me. What's the matter? You stop following me? Or did you behind me?
What next? My patrolman says 3 miles. Okay. Well, I think the stupid cuckoo bird told me to go north. But I think my instinct said to go west. I already went west. I went east. I just go north. Oh my gosh! It's you!
Stop following me.
Stop following me! Really have to stop doing that. I'm at first. No, this couldn't be.
Be sure to subscribe
Never
for more World of
trust
Random.
a cuckoo bird.
Cuckoo.